Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get Threads badge on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Threads is a new application made by the same company that makes Facebook and Instagram if you want to get the Threads badge on your profile like many people have right now. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. Open your App Store or the Google Play Store on your device. Then you want to search for Threads in Instagram app. You should find it easily. The icon has this black color with a white letter in it, and just download it and install it on your device. As you can see, I have my Instagram profile right here and the username is MaskedWolf, and I'm going to tap on it to log in. If you are new to Threads, you just need to go through a couple of steps in order to set up your account. Continue with the instructions. Your account will set up. I already did that, so it logged me right into the app. After you log in with the same Instagram profile, you will see the Threads badge. When you open Instagram, you'll have that little number on your profile. You can see that we have a badge right under our name. This number represents the number of Threads accounts that were created before you join the app. When you do open the app, and the login page is going to look something like this. And that's how you can get the Threads badge on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.